interested to digitize, monetize, and market your business in the right direction, in the vertical direction of growth? How many of you would like to learn what are the various stages of knowledge business model and what it takes to grow in vertical direction of growth? Right? So Jay Kumar would like to learn that. Khalilji wants to learn that. Savant wants to learn that. Naresh wants to learn that. Venkat wants to learn that. Awesome. Jay Verma wants to learn that, right? Okay. So there are 3 stages of the knowledge business model. Okay. Now, based on my experience in last 4 years, I realized that there are 2 types of learners. Okay. One who are in the learning stage, trying to assimilate, integrate, absorb, learn from various places. Okay. So you are in the learning mode, you are in the exploring mode. How many of you are in the learning mode here? How many of you are in the learning mode where you are trying to understand what it takes to build your knowledge business online? All right. Lokesh is in the learning mode. Jay Kumar is in the learning mode. Savant is in the learning mode. Right. Yes. Right. Khalilji is in the learning mode. Right. Now there is another category of people who have been learning almost for 1.5, 2 years, maybe more. Okay. You're learning from various places, but you are not able to connect all your learnings together seamlessly in a sequential structured manner with total clarity. Okay. Because of which you're not getting the necessary success that you desire, because there are still some pieces which are missing, important pieces that are missing in this puzzle to build your knowledge business. Right? So is there anyone here who has been going through many programs, training after trainings, already a knowledge giver for 15 years, 20 years, 25 years, knows bits and pieces of what needs to be done, but unable to complete all the, unable to put the right piece at the right place so that this puzzle of creating a successful online business is completed? Anyone here who is at that stage? Savan. Right. Okay. Thank you, Lokesh. Right. Welcome on board. Okay. So, hi, I'm Vandana here. I am not a coach. I'm not your coach. You can call me your mentor, guide, consultant, strategist, entrepreneurship expert, knowledge business strategist, but I am not your coach. Okay. Because I'm an entrepreneur turned teacher who wanted to share her insights. Naresh, thank you so much, Naresh. Thank you so much. Right. I understand. Jay Verma, 20 plus years of experience. Totally understandable. Okay. Because when I started my speaking journey, I was already a serial entrepreneur with I think it was 11 years of experience, because I started my entrepreneurship journey in 2006. I am an IT professional turned entrepreneur. Since 2006 until 2017, I ventured into 7 diverse businesses in IT, non-IT, B2B, franchising, retailing. As a first generation serial entrepreneur who was struggling to find job to becoming to the evolution of an entrepreneur within me. Okay. So in 2017, I just wanted to share what I know, the insights that life has given me, and my businesses, so many businesses have given me. So I wanted to become a speaker. I'm sharing this journey because that is why, because I'm justifying why I'm not your coach. I'm just an entrepreneur who happens to be a teacher who delivers what she know 100% in a very simple and effective way that you can understand, because this has been my personal journey. Okay. Only advantage I had when I started my speaking journey was that I also acquired entrepreneurship skills across my 11 years. In 2017, it was 11 years of entrepreneurship. As on today, it's 15 years of entrepreneurship and 25 years of my professional experience, right? So that time I already understood sales, marketing, operational aspect, finances, what is investment, what is spend, okay, the assets, liabilities. The legal and statutory compliances. I had understood all of that, right? But when I wanted to become a speaker, I wanted to become a speaker. I never wanted to become a coach. Okay. So I didn't know what I know, how I can convert it into programs. Okay. So that's where my speaking journey began. I signed up for a very high ticket program way back in 2017. As on September, it's 4 years now. And there's no looking back, because what I realized is, along with knowing how to deliver your programs, which is the challenge with most of the knowledge givers, you have your content. How to deliver that content in a way that it is engaging, entertaining, okay, and upselling as well. Okay. Apart from that, you need a lot of entrepreneurship skills. You need a lot of entrepreneurship skills. You need to understand numbers. You need to understand how to price your product. You need to understand customer buying patterns. You need to understand product stacking. You need to have some conversion skills, closing skills, okay, market and communicating your business in a way that it is valued by the people who will pay for that product or service that you